My baby takes them. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I didn't see you there. I did. Hello, my name is Malcolm Monteith and I'm the creator of how to draw courses such as how to draw pirates. Actually, that's all I've done. Until now. Welcome to this online course on how to draw cartoon dogs, where I will show you how to draw dogs. Even a poodle. I don't even like poodles. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. They're okay. In this course, I'll be walking you step by step through my process to create 7 cartoon dogs. By the end of this workshop, you'll have created a chihuahua, German shepherd, poodle, basset, pug, bulldog, and a sausage dog. I'll first show you the sketch phase, where I build up each dog with some basic shapes. Then, we'll move on to inking in the dominant lines with a thick pen, followed by adding details with a thin pen. Finally, we'll get out our colored pencils and do some good old-fashioned coloring in. All you need for this course is some paper, a pencil, an eraser, a thick pen, a thin pen, a white pen, and colored pencils. So whether you're a beginner, young, or not so young, enroll today and I will show you the methods to creating some cartoon doggies for you to share with the world. Hope to see you soon. Ciao!